Myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Practical session, preparation of acetanilidine. Student, today now we discuss practical session acetanilidines. Acetanilidine is the white organic solid compound used primary is organic synthesis and phenylacetamides and acetanilidine and acetylenes and other names of these compounds. It is used is the first favor of favor is Hansen's was known as antifibrins by the branch names. Aim to the prepare of organic compound acetanilidine for anilines, acetic acids, acetic anhydride and zinc dust. स्टूडेंट्स आज अपन प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं एसिटानिलीन की और एसिटानिलीन फ्रॉम एनिलीन, एनिलीन से एसिटानिलीन बनाएंगे. ठीक है, तो सर थ्योरी एसिटानिलीन इज प्रिपेयर फॉर एनिलीन व्हेन इट रिएक्ट विद एसिटिक एनहाइड्रस acetic acid in the presence of zinc dust. A mixture of aniline, glycol, acetic acid, anhydride and zinc dust is reflexed under anhydrous condition and then produced to mixture into the ice cold water to get acetic anhydride precipitated. So this crude precipitated by acetic anhydride is recrystallized to get pure crystals of acetanilene. In this chemical reactions are given below. Aniline react with acetic anhydride in the presence of CH3COH and zinc dust convert to acetanilidine plus CH3COOH. Students, zinc is used to prevent the oxidations of aniline during the chemical reaction. Acetaniline is a medicinally important and it is useful fibers. So acetanilidine can also be prepared by the acetyling anilines with acetic anhydride in the presence of concentration of hydrochloric acid and dissolve aniline is hydrochloric acid and add to acetic anhydride stir well. So pour the mixtures of the sodium acetate in water and acetanilidine is formed when can separation and recrystallization by ethyl alcohol. Okay. So acetylenediene is formula equal to benzene NHCOCH3. Others names are N-phenylacetamides, N-phenylacetamides and acetylenes. Materials and requirement for preparation of acetanilidine. Anilines, glycol acetic acid, acetic anhydride, zinc dust, distilled water, round glass bottle, beaker, pipette, reflex condenser, funnel, filter paper and electronic balances. The explained in given diagram the preparation of acetanilidines are stand bath and aniline acetic acid plus acetic anhydride and reflect condenser to sinks to top and the preparation of acetanilidine. Procedures: first of wash of all apparatus with distilled water before starting to experiment. Okay. After take the round bottle flask in that add to 10 milliliter of the aniline and 20 milliliter of the acetic anhydride and glacial acetic acids mixtures and add zinc dust. Okay. After fix the reflex condenser with the round bottle flask and after heat to the mixer for about 15 to 20 minutes on oil bath. Pour to the hot mixers in beaker containing ice cold water with constant stirrings. The start the mixture is basically to the hydrolysis of excess of acetic anhydrides. Once all of the acetanilidine is precipitated, collected and filter is a burner funnel. So the precipitated obtained is a crude sample of the acetanilidine to get the pure crystallization should be carried out. Instant crystallization. Crystallization the transfer the crude samples into the beaker containing 20 ml water and heat. So if the solution is colored, that add the small amount of activated carbon and filter to hot solution with funnel. So cool the mixture of a 4 to 30 minutes so that white crystal of the acetylene separate out. So filter of the crystals, wash them with water and dry in the folders of a filter paper. So observation of the colors of crystals are and colorless of the crystals. Colors of the crystals are shape of the crystals, and colorless of the crystal are plate shapes. The melting point is equal to 114 degrees Celsius. So result are discussion in the yield of the acetylene in the grams. So the precautions is that do not inhale to the fumes of the acetic anhydrides, and always carry out of experiment in a foaming chambers or near to the window, and use the water condensation for the reflection and reactions mixers, and dry the crystal of acetylene before findings to the weight, and it is the melting point. Okay students, okay, thank you.